Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. We're just a bunch of Meal Friday. We're gonna make delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're gonna make brown rice and black bean casserole. To a pot over medium heat, we're gonna add 1 cup of vegetable broth and 1/3 cup of brown rice. We're going to let this come to a boil. When it's coming to a boil, we're going to cover, reduce heat to low, and let it simmer for 45 minutes. We're going to thinly slice 1 medium zucchini. Take a small onion and we're going to dice it. We only need 1/3 cup of diced onion. Whatever's left over, we'll put up for another recipe. And to skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up some oil. Once the oil's heated up, we're going to add 1/3 cup of onions. We're going to cook them until they're tender. Now the onions are tender, we're going to add in our zucchini. Two cooked skinless boneless chicken breasts that we've cubed. And 1/2 cup of sliced mushrooms. We're going to cook until the chicken's all the way cooked through and the zucchini is lightly brown. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, and ground chili pepper to taste. Now to the pan, we're going to add our rice. One can of black beans that's been drained and rinsed. 1 can of green chilies. 1/3 cup of shredded carrots. And 1 cup of shredded Swiss cheese. We're just going to mix it all together. We're going to take a 9x13 pan. We're going to put that all in this pan. Spread it out a little bit. And then we're going to top with 1 more cup of shredded Swiss cheese. We're going to cover loosely aluminum foil. We're going to bake it 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to uncover and cook for 10 more minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Oh, really good. Cost us right at $23 to make. Feeds 8 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.